At Crafted, we say prioritization is a habit, not a holiday. Prioritization should be happening on a weekly, if not daily basis. It shouldn't be a special occasion. Why? Prioritization helps teams to focus on the most valuable features and ensures that you're always focused on value. Staying focused on value is essential for product success, as that will drive both product and business success. The best product development teams continuously align with their business to drive value. Steve Jobs once said, "People think focus means saying yes to the thing you've got to focus on, but that's not what it means at all. It means saying no to the 100 other good ideas that there are. You have to pick carefully." I'm actually as proud of the things we haven't done as the things I have done. Innovation is saying no to 1,000 things. There are plenty of prioritization frameworks, but the 2x2 matrix is our favorite because it is simple, lightweight, and effective. It is a framework that is easy to do on a recurring basis and is visually effective to drive alignment. So let's get into it. Step 1, choose your axes. Choose the axes that best fit the outcome you're trying to achieve. For example, if you're trying to determine your daily priorities, use important versus urgent. If you're trying to decide your next product feature, use user value versus business value. And if you're trying to build out your roadmap, you can use value versus complexity. For this example, we'll use value versus complexity. Step 2, brainstorm your priorities. In a stream of consciousness, write down as many priorities or ideas that you can think of. One idea per sticky note. This will generate your laundry list. We want to whittle down that list to focus on what matters most. That's the difference between priorities and laundry list. Priority means the first. Step 3, stack rank on the y-axis. Stack ranking or force ranking is a technique to prioritize items in a linear order from most valuable to least valuable. Start with one sticky, placed in the middle, and then place a second below or above the existing feature depending on relative value. Add a third. Two stickies cannot occupy the same space. There are no ties. We find it much easier to focus the conversation on one axis at a time. Trying to do both simultaneously is hard and takes the focus off the stack rank. Step 4, divide your halves. Once your list is ranked, draw the x-axis. Half must be above the line and half must be below. Step 5, stack rank on the x-axis. Repeat the stack rank, but do it horizontally on the x-axis. Ensure that two stickies do not occupy the same space. Let's take a look at where the items fall in the matrix and what that tells us about our priorities. The do now quadrant. These are high value and low complexity items. They are your most important items. Focus on these priorities. The next, these need work. These items have high value, but still need work to reduce complexity. Seductive distractions. Items in this quadrant are items that are easy to tackle, but take your focus away from more valuable items. They are low complexity, but also low value, and take your attention away from the more high value items in the quadrant above. And finally, the low value, high complexity items are not worth your time. We'll say no thank you to those. These items are your lowest value and your highest effort. They are not worth your time at all. A few tips for success. Prioritize early and often. Make it a habit so that you're always focusing on the right things. Second, don't prioritize in a vacuum. Get alignment and buy-in by incorporating different perspectives from places like sales and marketing. Finally, keep it simple. Don't overthink and use data to guide your decisions. Want more expert tips? Check out our website, www.crafted.solutions, or follow us on LinkedIn.